you know it's recording?
No, it is.
Come on. You could.
You gotta pull it up. You can't be recording.
You take it. You're out. Hey, let me see the ball, please. Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Attention target team members, can I please have any available
Where'd they
team
go?
members in seasonal? Please help to the seasonal
Can you guys
call box.
tell me where they went?
Any available team members, please help to the seasonal call box.
Alright, you got it. Hey. Stop. You go? Oh, yeah. Hey, get it. No, turn on.
Over the summer.
Where'd they go, man?
Hello.
Oh, there they are. Back here. Bounce pass.
Okay, so he like pretty much like ripped open the game, took out the disc, and just ripped it open and took out the manuals. It's like he's ripping the game apart and just putting it in people's bags. The game, The Sims 3.
Who?
Julian.
Are you recording?
Ripping up game.
I put it in your bag.
No, really, where's my... I'll film it while you talk to her.
You know I would.
Let's go talk to her.
You know.
Let's go film it.